This is Cynthia's knee testimonial. She just started on the patches.
Lillian, this is Cynthia. I want to let you know that I used one of those things on my leg, my knee today, and I've been out for the last 6 hours working on my truck, among other things. And my right knee hasn't given me any pain unless it catches, the bone catches while I'm turning it or something. But I've been able to do a lot of work with this leg and standing in positions that I haven't been able to stand in for a long time. And this means I can do my, Qigong better because I can put my legs in the proper position. So,
And there it is, my friends and gems. I'm so excited for her first week on the patches, and that's just the first couple of days of wearing our orthomolecular patch. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know where to get in touch with me. Ciao for now, my friends and